Hello children, Priya Miss is here. Our today's topic name is pronouns. Children, you have learnt about nouns. Noun is the name of a person, place or thing. Now let's know about pronouns. What is a pronoun? A word we use in place of a noun is called a pronoun. Here are some short words like I, we, you, they, she, he, it. These are some common pronouns. Use of he, she and I. We use he, she, I with singular people. For example, he is my father. He we use for a boy or a man. She is my sister. She has blue eyes. She we use for a girl or a woman. When we talk about ourselves, then we use I. I am a boy. Use of you. You we use for singular and plural both persons. For example, you are a nice man. You are good students. You are good students. You means तुम. You are my sister. तुम मेरी sister हो. Use of I. When we say something about ourselves, then we use I. For example, I am a boy. I am 6 years old. I love to play with toys. I have many friends. जब हम खुद के बारे में बात करते हैं, तब I यूज़ करते हैं. Use of we. We use with plural nouns. For example, Riya, Geeta, Pia, Ram and I are friends. जब हम दूसरों के बारे में बात करते हैं पर उसमें हम भी होते हैं, तब हम we यूज़ करते हैं. रिया, गीता, Pia, Ram and I. We can replace with we. We can say we play together. We are very happy. If you and your friends are playing, so you will say we are playing. We are happy. आप भी happy हो और आपके दोस्त भी. Use of they. They we use with plural nouns for plural animals and people. For example, the dogs are running. The dogs we can replace with they. They are on the road. जब आप बहुत सारे लोग या चीज़ों के बारे में बात करते हो, तब they यूज़ करते हैं. A boy and a girl has a ball. A boy and a girl will replace with they. They are playing. If the children are talking in the class, then you can go to the teacher and say, Miss, they are talking, they are writing, etc. Now, use of he. He we use for a singular person, for a man or a boy. For example, my uncle is very nice. My uncle we can replace with he. He goes to the office. He is punctual. जब हम किसी बॉय या मैन के बारे में बात करते हैं, तब ही यूज़ करते हैं। यूज़ ऑफ शी we use for a singular person, for a girl or a woman. For example, my mother is very sweet. My mother will replace with she. She cooks tasty food. She loves me. Use of it we use with singular animal, thing or place. For example, the cat is small. The cat will replace with it. It is very cute. Second example, the bag is full. The bag will replace with it. It is pink in color. Another example is for place. The park is big. The park will replace with it. It is very beautiful. When you talk about an animal or a thing, then you use it. जब आप किसी एनिमल या चीज़ के बारे में बात करते हो तब it यूज़ करते हैं. Example, it is a dog. It is a ball. In this way. Now let's read the sentences given here without pronoun and with pronouns. Meera has a cat. Meera wants to knit a sweater for the cat. Meera has a cat. She wants to knit a sweater for it. Children, these both the sentences are same. Here in the second sentence, Meera word is replaced with she. She is used in place of a girl's name. Meera is a girl. Let's see the next sentence. Jamie sees a puppy on the street. Jamie wants to adopt the puppy. Jamie sees a puppy on the street. He wants to adopt it. Jamie is a boy. Jamie is replaced with he. And puppy is an animal, so it replaced with it. In place of puppy, it is used here. Jamie tells Meera about the puppy. Jamie and Meera gets the puppy home. Jamie and Meera are very happy. Jamie tells Meera about the puppy. They get it home. They are very happy. Children, now you must have observed that here instead of Jamie and Meera, they pronoun is used. Jamie and Meera replaced with they and puppy replaced with it pronoun. Look at this page number 15. I at. You can do this with your family members. Let's read fun to know. The words that replace nouns are called pronouns. When we talk about specific people, the pronouns I, you, he, she, it and they are used. For example, I like to study. Here, replace I with other pronouns and write sentences such as he likes to study. You can write here, she likes to study. They like to study. You like to study, etc. When we talk about things, people, animals that belongs to us, The pronouns my, your, his, her and their are used. These are possessive pronouns. They are the pronouns that help us to show possession or ownership. Possessive मतलब मालिकाना या अधिकार संबंधी. When you are saying that something belongs to the girl or woman, you will likely use her. You use his to indicate that something belongs or relates to a man or a boy. Their means belongs to them. Now read the story show and tell and underline the sentences where his, her and their are being used. Children, look at this story, show and tell. Read this story, observe it carefully, and wherever you will find her, his, their, these words, you have to underline the sentence. After that, make sentences with the following pronouns: her, his, their. Make sentences here by using these pronouns. When we talk about animals, weather and time, we use it as a pronoun. For example, it is 5 o'clock. It is hot today. It is a brown cat. Look at this, page number 17. Fill up the blanks using appropriate pronoun. Here, the helping box is already given. Choose the correct option and complete this fill in the blanks. Children, now read these 4 lines, this passage loudly, then underline the words that sound odd to you and replace them with some other words to make the passage easier to read. In this passage, Yash and Millie name is used again and again. Millie, Yash and Millie. These nouns are used again and again. We have learned that when we talk about a boy or a man, we use he. So, you can also use he in place of a noun Yash. Once you took the name Yash, after that you can use the pronoun he. And when we talk about a girl or a woman, we can use she pronoun. So, you can also use she instead of Millie. Here, Yash and Millie name are used again and again. Yash and Millie. Yash and Millie. So, instead of Yash and Millie, you can use they pronoun. His and her are the possessive. He and his are used with a male. For example, a boy or a man. She and her are used with a female. For example, a girl or a woman. We use her for the girl and his for the boy. For example, he is a boy. His balloon is green. Here we have used his. She is a girl. Her balloon is red. Here we have used her. In this passage, the words cafe, coat, chair are belongs to or related to Yash. Yash is a boy, so you can use his. For example, his favorite cafe, his coat, his chair. Handbag belongs to Millie, and Millie is a girl, so we can use her handbag. Look at this page number 18. Before doing this, remember that he, she, it, they, I, you, we. These are the pronouns. You can replace a girl or a woman name with she and a boy or a man name with he. It can be used instead of a thing or place or an animal. Thank you. Take care.